Hi viewers, in this video I am going to share a shortcut with you on percentages. Let me consider one example. This is the example problem. In a town, population was 50,000. Population increased at 6% and 4% respectively for 2 years. What was the town population at the end of 2 years? Okay, this is the question. So in this we have to calculate total town population after 2 years. Increased rates are given. For first year, increased rate is 6%, and for second year, increased rate is 4%. So first write given data. Total town population is given, that is 50,000. Next, increased rates are given, 6% and 4% respectively. So if we solve this problem through general procedure, it will take some time. Okay, by using our shortcut, you can solve within 20 seconds of time. So coming to the shortcut, so at the time of compound interest, I was shared a shortcut with you, so that same shortcut we can apply here. So that shortcut is, so in that shortcut, first you have to write two percentages rates. Okay, so first year increasing rate is 6%, and second year increasing rate is 4%. So in this shortcut, we have to, so we will calculate increased population. Okay, so that increased population, here we are going to calculate in two steps. So first step we have to add the increased rates. So first step is add the increased rates, so that is 6 plus 4. So here 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this 10 should be the first digit of increased population. Okay, so write 10 here. So this is the first digit of our increased population. So next to second step is, so in second step you have to multiply the percentages. So that is 6 percentage into 4 percentage. Okay, so that is equal to 24. So therefore this 24 is the second digit of your increased population. So write in the second digit. So therefore total increased population is equal to 1024. 1024. So remember here, so this shortcut is for 10,000. So already I said at the time of compound interest. So therefore here we are calculated the population for 10,000. So for 10,000, increased population is 1024. But in the question, we have to calculate for 50,000. Okay, so if you know for 10,000, we can easily calculate increased population for 50,000. So see here, for 10,000 increased population is 1024. Then what about the 50,000? So just multiply 1024 with 50,000, and take by 10,000. So therefore if you solve this one, you will get increased population, that is equal to 5,120. Okay, so therefore for 50,000 increased population is 5,120. But in the question we have to calculate what is the town population, what is the total town population. Okay, so to for getting town population, just add increased population to the total town population before 2 years. So before 2 years, town population is 50,000, and increased population is 5,120. Okay, so therefore total population is equal to 50,000 plus 5,120. So that is equal to 55,120. So after 2 years, the town population becomes 55,120. 55,120. Let me consider second example. So this is the second example problem. So in a town, population was 8,000. Population increased at 10% per annum. Find the town population at the end of 2 years. In this question, we have to calculate what is the total town population after 2 years. So here increased rate is given 10%. So here 10% is same for first year and second year. Okay. So directly I am going with the shortcut, just to write the percentage. So here for 2 years, increased percentage is same. So therefore write a 10 two times. So 10 percentage, 10 percentage. So use same shortcut here. So increased population is equal to, so what is our first step in shortcut? Just add the percentages. So that is 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So this is our first digit. So write as a first digit 20. So next second step is multiply the two increased percentages. So that is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Okay. So once observe the second step. So if we multiply 10 with 10, we are getting 100. So in 100 there are three digits, right? So till now we taken only two digits. So if we take 100 is our second digit, then what happen? Increased population becomes 20,100. So that is wrong. So in this shortcut we have to consider only two digits. Okay. So that means you have to take 100 like this. So once see here. So just start from 0. Okay. You should take 100 just below the 0. Okay. And add these two. So then what happened? 2100. Okay, 2100. So therefore increased population is equal to 2100. Increased population is equal to 2100. So already you know, so this shortcut is for 10,000, but we have to calculate for 8,000. Okay, so we can easily calculate. So for 10,000 increased population is 2100. Then what about the increased population for 8,000? So then what happened? For 10,000 it is 2100 or 2100. Then what about the 8,000? So just take this 2100 into 8,000 by 10,000. So if you solve this one, you will get 1680. Okay. So this is the increased population for 2 years. Increased population for 2 years. But we want the total population. Total population. So total population is equal to previous population plus increased population. So that is 8,000 plus 1680. So that is equal to 9,680. 9,680 is the total increased population after 2 years. Let me consider one more example. So this is example. In a town, population was 10,000. Population decreased at 8% and 4% respectively for 2 years. Then what was the total town population at the end of 2 years, and what percentage of population decreased after 2 years? What percentage of population decreased after 2 years? And second question is find the population at the end of 2 years. So repeat it again. So in this question we have to calculate what is the total population after 2 years, and how much percentage of population decreased after 2 years. Okay, so this is the question. In previous two examples, so we consider increased rate. In this question we have to calculate a decreased population. Okay, so first write the given data. Town population was 10,000, and decreased rates are given 8% and 4%. Okay, so same shortcut here I'm applying. So shortcut is same. So once observe the difference. So if they give increased rate, we considered positive percentages. So if they give a decreased rate, we have to consider negative percentages. So that means a decreased rate of 8% means we have to consider minus 8%. Decreased rate of 4% means we have to consider minus 4%. Okay, so write the percentages. Minus 8% minus 4%. So here the shortcut is same two steps. Okay, so therefore decreased percentage is equal to, so our first step is, so first add two percentages. Minus 4 minus 4, sorry, minus 8 minus 4. Okay, minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Minus 12. Okay, so therefore percentage of population decreased is equal to, our first digit is minus 12. So but remember here we are calculating the percentage, right? So therefore take minus 12.00. Just add point and two zeros. So because we are calculating in terms of percentages. Okay. So therefore take minus 12.00. So this is our first step in shortcut. So next second step is multiply the two percentages. Minus 8 into minus 4. So minus 8 into minus 4 is plus 32. Okay, 8 into 4 is 32. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, na? So here second step answer should be take after point. Okay, So that means we have to consider like this 0.32. Okay. So if you do this minus 12.00 plus 0.32, that is equal to minus 11.68, minus 11.68. So therefore percentage of population decreased, percentage of population decreased is equal to 11.68 percentage, 11.68 percentage. So next, first question is completed. A question A is completed. Okay, 11.68 percentage. So here the negative sign indicates. So here negative sign indicates decreased population. Negative sign indicates decreased population. Okay. So next, what was the total population after 2 years? Okay. So here we know decreased percentage and total population. Then we can easily calculate the total population. Uh, Total population at the end of 2 years is equal to 11.68 percentage is nothing but 1168 only. Okay, so therefore subtract this from 10,000 because it is decreased population, right? So therefore 10,000 minus 1168, 10,000 minus 1168 is equal to 8,832. So 8,832 is the population at the end of 2 years. Okay, thank you.